G'day guys, you're back with Miracle Max. Just a real quick one today. It's a service reset on a Isuzu D-Max 2018 model with a 4JJ1 engine in it. Now how we do that is we get our key, stick it into the ignition. Everyone knows where that is, surely. That's way down there. We turn it to the on position, come back up like that, wait for all the gizmo to take place, and then we're going to head over to the side here on our indicator stalk, and we're going to see this button over here. Now this has a little information button or information icon on it, and what we're going to do is continually press that. Press it once, press it twice, press it 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, and we're waiting. Oh, there we go. Select mode. We're now going to hold that button in place, and there we go. And we're going to now use the left-hand button over this side to go down the menu. Now, as you can see here, it's probably a little bit hard to see, but I'm now in the service mode, and I'll zoom in there for you. You can see service. I'm now going to hold the right-hand button in place for a long period of time, and we're going to reset it there. We're going to hold that one. Okay, so the right-hand button over this guy here, I'm now going up the menu. You can set it to whatever you like. In this particular case, I'm going to set it to 11,000 kilometres. I don't want to do anything more than 10,000 kilometres. I have suggested that he do intermediate services, so 7,500, but what I'll do there is I'm just going to put it to 11,000 kilometres for now. So what I do is I hold my right-hand button in, and there we go. Across to my right-hand side button there again, I press it again and again. Now I'll be replacing the air cleaner today, so I'm going to hold that right-hand button down in place, and then I'm going to scroll up and down, and I'm going to give him about 30,000 Ks on that air filter. I'm now going to hold that right-hand button down again in place, and there we go. I'm now going to press it quickly. We're now into the maintenance level. I hold it in place, okay. And I'm going to match it to that other one, 11,000 kilometres. It's not exactly how I want it, but this will be a reminder for the customer. So I've just scrolled it up. You can keep going, of course. But now I'm going to hold that in place, the right-hand one, and there they are all set. We can now hold that right-hand button firmly in place for an extended period of time, and it says end, okay? So end, and we're back into our mode. We can now scroll through that mode as we like, as we did before. So that should now be all done. That should get rid of our little spanner guy over here. When we start it up, it should now disappear. And it's now gone. Quick and easy one, guys. I've got the rest of the service to do. So in the meantime, this is Miracle Max signing off. I will catch you later.